In this problem, we'll find an equation of a line. We'll find an equation of the line that contains the point -2, 0, and has the slope -3. Since the slope is defined, this line can be described by the equation y equals mx plus b. We know what m is. M is -3. So we can substitute that for m in the equation, and we have y equals -3x plus b. However, we're not given the y-intercept. Be careful, this is the x-intercept, not the y-intercept. -2 is not the value we substitute for b. We have to solve for b. In order to do that, we need to think, since -2, 0 is on the line, then this equation is true when x is -2 and y is 0. So we can substitute 0 for y and -2 for x and keep the b, and now we can solve for b to see what b will make this true. We have 0 equals 6 plus b. Subtracting 6 from both sides, we have -6 equals b. So now that I know that b is -6, I can substitute that for b in this equation, and I have y equals -3x plus -6, or more commonly, y equals -3x minus 6.